Hello everybody, welcome back. In this video we are going to create a mini map for our racing game, and for that we will just add a camera on our car. Now we will adjust this camera according to our mini map. So rotate this camera like this, or you can do rotation from here also. I will rotate the camera like this, where my car is visible. That's it. Now we will move this camera a little bit higher and adjust its. I think we can change this to 90 and this to 90, this to 90. Yeah, that's fine. Now it's perfectly fine. And now we can use this camera as a mini map. Okay, so just adjust camera like this. No, here it's fine here, no problem. So we have to create one shader, a texture here. So we will right click in our assets section, create, and then we will add a render texture. Okay, and we can name this texture to minimap, and this texture is ready. Now we will not do any settings here, although we can do some settings here, but we don't need at this time. Okay, now we will go to our camera, and in camera here in the target textures section we can move this minimap here. Okay, now we added our minimap to our camera. Now for displaying the minimap, we will add a raw image in our canvas area. So here is our canvas, so we'll add one raw image, and we can adjust this image wherever we want. I think speedometer will be right side and this should be left side, I think. Maybe, yeah. So what we can do, we can just move this speedometer here, and we will replace anchor to this, and just adjust the settings. And now this is fine. We will move minimap here, and we can rename the raw image to minimap background, and we can scale this minimap like this. Oh, it will be too big, so here it will be fine, maybe. So now we can anchor this to this end, and after that we will duplicate this minimap again, and we will place this minimap on with this main background. Okay, and we can minimap. This is the actual minimap what we need here. And now what we can do, we can scale this a little bit smaller. Okay, so we will scale this a little bit smaller, so this background will play a role of background. Okay, so we will select minimap now, and we will drag our minimap here. So now you can see our minimap is visible, and if we run the game, our minimap is working absolutely fine. But we have to adjust this camera higher actually, because this is too close. If we see, yeah, for matching our game UI elements, we can make this color to something like red. Now it's fine. Now if for example you want to make some effects on this minimap, like if you are creating some horror game where color format, yeah, you can use color like this. Okay, this is you can use this for different purposes. Created this mini map in minutes, and you can implement this mini map and you can use this technique for any game you want. Thank you very much.